The Pod Supply is giving away sets of their super bass wireless earpods for free. They're rated #1 for sound quality, charging speeds, and battery life. You can claim yours while they're still in stock by clicking the link in the description down below.
Oh, wow.
Kinda nice.
Kinda nice. I kinda like the dude one.
Ooh, I'm wearing that.
I gotta buy some V-Bucks, dude. I gotta buy some V-Cucks. I thought these came out already. I don't think so. Hint the new emblem next to their name.
I like this. Ooh, I don't know if I like the mask or not. I think I'm doing no mask.
No mask for sure. She's got red eyes. Doesn't it look like it?
Oh my chat. Holy. Ooh. Holy smokes. These are sick. Oh, nice. That's kind of nice. Ooh, this one moves. Yee!
Oh dear. Speaking of, I need to buy some V-Bucks for this. Sandstorm, that is very, very nice. You got 2 styles, out of mask. Okay, that's definitely a cop. Sandstorm's lit. Scimitar. What, you got a back bling? No back bling. I'm not gonna buy you. I don't buy males. I don't wear males. Emblem, kind of nice. That is, yes, that. Oh my lord. I like that a lot. Wrap is animated. Is it really? Oh, it is. What does it do? Is it just glow? Cycle model. Ooh. Okay, I think I will buy that. Actually, it's kind of nice.
There's only one thing left to do in this situation. And those lag spikes, dude. They're rough. Damn lag. The fuck is that?
No! Chick to the right is weak. Don't laugh at me, idiot. You have to get bodied. She's weak, she's weak, she's weak! Reload, she's the weak one already. I hit it for 136. Fuck you, kids!
Oh my god.
I love when they donkey laugh and then they just get killed.
Oh.
Yes, I'm dissing our roll right now.
Bitch.
Do that again, I dare you.
Peek, I dare you, brother.
Oh!
Oh
my god. I'm launching. I gotta launch. Yeah, go, go, go.
Did it.
Oh!
Let's get it!
This fucker's going up the mountain, dude.
Oh my god! I'm cracked!
Hell yeah, flop like a fish, bro. Gang. Hold up, gang. Bro, this homie placed a trap on the launch pad, bro.
Oh, there's 2 people above you.
That guy's flashed multiple times. I'm going for an impulse play because they're fucking pussies. Holy fuck! Yo, you fucking dog shit player.
fuck, man? How, man? Holy shit!
Okay, I'll tell you then, PK. So yesterday I'm getting a Thai massage with the girl, right? We get a couple's Thai massage. And I've never had a Thai massage, but they stretch you out while they beat you up, you know what I mean? So I got this little chick, you know, and she's digging into my tissue and stuff. And it's like for an hour. So about like 20 or 30 minutes in, I started feeling real like sleepy, you know. And she takes my leg and she brings my knee to my chest. You know that stretch? Yeah. You probably did in basketball all the time. So she pushes my knee all the way to my chest, and I'm like, oh, you know. And then she takes that same knee and brings it across my body to like kind of stretch out and then even crack my lower back. When she brought me up and then she brought me across, my ding-a-ling flopped out the back. Like just flop right out the blanket. Yo, with zero hesitation, this chick just grabbed it and tucked it in and kept doing her thing. And I didn't know what to say. Like my first thought was, yo, this must happen a lot. Like, there's no way she's that quick with it. Like,
yeah.
It was like reflex fast, bro. PK, it came out, bang, tucked it right in, and then just put the blanket around my butt. I was like, oh my God, 5 stars on TripAdvisor. Okay, dude. I'm just saying, bro, it's never happened to me.
Oh! That's why I don't pick up RPGs, bro. That's why I don't pick them up, brothers.
That's like the most soft voice change I've ever heard, I think.
Yo! My man Myth Googled, can pre-cum get pregnant? Yo! What the fuck? Oh my God! Look, man, my man Myth needed that.
That's not even bad, dude.
My man Myth, that's why he need to be here, man. Why is my man in Texas, bro? He need to be asking us questions like this, buddy. What in the why did he word it like that? Can pre-cum get pregnant, motherfucker?
Please, come take this rip from me.
You literally look. Oh, where?
Right here.
Where is he?
I dropped it.
Where is he?
Let's go get him. Everybody shoot. Rift him. Get him.
Whoa, let's go!
Oh, you got him? Yeah. Let's go, dude.
Maybe on my way down.
I'm gonna freak the fuck out. How long was I in there looting before that trap went off?
You're so bad! Just quit!
That's it. I'm had it with this place!
Oh, he beat me to it. I'm dead. He has a drum gun. Oh my God, he's actually the worst player. He's actually the worst player I've ever seen. BK, this kid's actually the worst player I've ever seen. BK, you have no idea. These kids are so bad. How are you guys this bad? What the heck? Bro, he's actually the worst player I've ever seen. Oh my God. This kid's actually the worst player I've ever seen. Bro, you unloaded 2 clips of a drum gun and missed every single shot.
I do it for my soldier, I can show you some doya, but then you lose your focus when I told you it's over. She call my Motorola like I owe you. I told you, these a fucking A Corolla.